everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. Definitely the kind of farm truck you love to see on the road, folks. This one coming in with a cherry red exterior, torque style wheels with the spinner caps. As you can do see, it is a short bed. I believe it is a step side bed as well. It also has that wood nice grain in it to really give it that farm truck look. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, it is an automatic on the column aftermarket column with tilt steering. They have painted the dash the same kind of red, featuring, I want to say, more of like a tan beige interior. Of course, with these single cab trucks, you always have just a bench seat. Very nice material though. They got an aftermarket 3-spoke wheel on it. Digitalized speedometer. As you can see, this little screen right here features that it is an EFI vehicle. Other than that, you got the speakers on the kick panels, you got the retro sound radio, you even have a proper cutout for vintage air. And one of the things I do want to mention about this truck I didn't mention before was it does not have any door handles on the outside, which is also controlled from this little fob right here. Make sure you never lock your keys in the car like most people do. Other than that, underneath the hood featuring a 460 Ford motor with side pipes coming out the side, headers, and let's open it up for a little bit. No hesitation in this ride, folks. Another cool thing about this truck here is that the fact the hood pushes up and you lift it from the back side like a Corvette, not that old school open from the front. But that's the way people like to do when they modify cool trucks like this. Other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around up on the hoist, so stay tuned to see the underneath.